Well, I've had it on there about 2.5 hours. You can see the lid closed on its own, I guess, because it, oh, yeah. Looks like it shrank down a little bit. But that's normal. How she look? I think it's done. Okay. Let's get her up and off of here and into the kitchen. Got a real good texture to it. We're going to let it rest here momentarily. Okay. And we'll bring it off. But see, this is really hot right here. So, when that cools down a tad, we'll pull it off. Okay, I'm going to grab a couple of forks here. Stick it in here. Lift up. There's a cola can. Wow. Pretty tender, baby. Ha ha ha. Yes. Will the leg fall off? Yeah. See? Very tender. Yeah. But this leg will just fall off? Yeah. Easy. Alright, that came out good. Oh, good, some little pieces to nibble on over here. And it looked like it could have been the wishbone. I don't know. Alright, let's get a plate and let's start eating.